Hi, my name's Ashley with Studio NPL, and today I'm going to show you what comes with our Cubelets Modular Robotics Kit when you check it out. So each kit comes with 2 battery cubes, 2 drive cubes, 2 light cubes, 2 rotate cubes, a bar graph cube, a speaker cube, a light sensor cube, distance sensor cube, temperature sensor cube, a volume knob cube, a threshold knob cube, a passive cube, an inverse cube, and a blocker cube. This kit also comes with a power cord, 3 Lego adapters, and some cards to help you get started. This is what will be included in your kit when you check it out. For more information on how to use the Cubelets, please check out our instructional video.